Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be taking out these funky braids. They've been in probably for like 5 weeks now. They were knotless braids, and so I'm going to show y'all how I pre-poo and how I deep condition and even do a little trim. So if you want to see that, just stay tuned. So obviously the first step would be to take down these braids. My hair looking crazy. So I'm gonna take down these braids. I'm not gonna bore y'all and show y'all that because we all know how to take down our braids at this point. But I'll be back once I'm done with that. Hey y'all, I'm back. So taking out them braids lasted a lot longer than I wanted it to. Anybody else hate taking out their braids? Like, I hate that. But anyway, so now I'm about to put my hair in 4 sections. What I did was I took out my braids and I just combed out my hair using like a Y2 comb. I love this comb. This is my favorite comb. So anyway, I'm gonna put it in 4 sections and then we'll start the pre-poo process. I used oil, and this is just like an oil cocktail. I have a whole bunch of oils in here. I'll probably put it in the description box. So now I have my hair separated. I have a section here, and this up top that I'll separate into 2 separate ones when I get to that part. But the first thing I do is I take some warm water that I put in here. This is a regular little, and we just want to mist our hair. You don't want it soaking wet, but you do. I'm sorry y'all, the mic might be rubbing. But you want it damp. You want it a little damp because our hair is dirty, so we're not really trying to do too much. But pre-pooing is very beneficial, and I suggest everybody to do that before, because shampoos can really strip your hair of moisture. Okay, let me see, is this wet enough? I believe this is wet enough. Damp enough. We don't want it wet, we just want it damp. So now we have our hair as damp as we want. Well, it's as damp as I want it to be. And you could already see it starting to like shrink. So I'm gonna take my oil. A little oil. And start to saturate my hair with it. This is how I pre-poo. Now, you can pre-poo in different ways. You can use conditioner, you can use oil, you can use aloe. Matter of fact, my homegirl just made a video about pre-pooing using aloe vera. So if y'all want to check her video out, I'll have it down below. I'm getting shed hair, which is normal. So I put some oil in my hair. Is this enough? I might want some more. I concentrate a lot on my ends, and then like I'll work my way up. The ends are the oldest part of your hair, so you always want to pay attention to that. Always, always, always. So that's pretty much enough for me. And the reason why I make sure I pre-poo after I take out braids is because, like, usually when I take out braids and I just go straight to the sink after I comb it out, it just seems like it gets extremely tangled even though I've combed it out. Like, let me know if anybody else has that problem. Anyway, so I pre-poo to get a coat of oil on here to help the shampoo not strip it as much and tangle it as much, hopefully. So I'm just going to do the same thing on this section. It's really not much to be said about it. It's pretty like self-explanatory. So I'm going to just let y'all watch from here. Okay, y'all, I got all 4 sections ready. I went ahead and did the front. I didn't show y'all because I mean it's pretty self-explanatory as to what I was doing. So now I'm gonna go straight into shampooing. I'm not gonna take y'all to the sink with me and nothing like that. We all know how to shampoo our hair, but I will show you the shampoo that I'm using. So this shampoo is one that I like. Y'all might not be able to see this, but I'll put a picture on screen. If not, it is Live Clean with apple cider. It's a detox shampoo, and it's 98% plant derived. And I use this because it gets my hair squeaky clean. When I'm trying to really get my hair clean, I use this. And I use it in a little bottle like this because I like to just take it and put it on my scalp, get it all throughout my scalp, and just really get in there. And I also use this. It is a scalp stimulator. Ew, I got hair on my hand. But you press this button and it vibrates. So you just take this and go in with your scalp, and it feels so good, and it breaks up all that oil, that dirt, that edge control, that gel, everything that you have on your scalp. You want to get in there and really just get it all loosened up so that it can wash out. And I usually shampoo like twice, so whatever y'all like to do, just do that. But that's what I do, and that's the things that I use. So I'm back. I washed my hair. I got it separated. I got 4 sections, and then I put this section, I separated it into, I halved it, and I tucked it up here in the clamp. So this is what I'm going to use to deep condition. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. We've all used this before. Oh, I got hair in there. But this is how much I got. That's how much I didn't use so far. So the way I deep condition is I use a deep conditioner and oil. So I incorporate oil in several parts of my hair care routine because oil seals in moisture and it helps your hair not to dry out. And that's the one thing that will make your hair snap off. It's because it's dry. You know, I know a lot of people who just get up and go every day and they don't put nothing on their hair. And sometimes that works. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and start putting that deep conditioner in this back section. I tend to use a lot. Anybody else heavy-handed? I know I am. And I keep looking out to the side, y'all, because I got this big vanity mirror sitting in front of me, and that's how I'm able to see like what I'm doing exactly. So I'm gonna take that same comb that I washed off after I washed my hair, and we got some tangles. Ooh, we got some tangles, but that's okay. We're gonna just comb the product through. So we have our conditioner on. I think I have enough now because I can feel that I have slip. And the same oil that I used earlier with my Prepoo is the same oil I'm going to use on my, this shit hot, on my deep conditioner. But I put boiling water inside of this mason jar, and so now it is very hot. It's not too hot to where it'll like burn me or anything, but so we're gonna take this oil and put it on our hair. This is what I do, y'all, every single time I deep condition. Every single time I deep condition, I use conditioner and an oil, and I think that this helps my ends stay healthy, help my hair stay semi-healthy. It's not, my hair ain't like the best in the world or nothing like that, but I be trying, you know what I'm saying? And so I put the conditioner and the oil on each section of my hair. Okay, y'all, so I don't know what happened to the rest of the footage of me clipping that back little section that I already did, but I did trim that section. So I trim each and every section of my hair that I do. So this section, I'm doing the same exact thing, putting the deep conditioner and the oil. And in this one, you will actually see me trim the end. How much I trim is not a lot at all. It's probably like the very bottom little ringlet or a little bit above that. It's literally dusting off the ends. That's it. I do not snip a lot at all. So I just finished that whole little routine, and the last step, yes, there's another thing that I do, but it's really simple. So what I do is that I deep condition with heat. Now I know I already got the hot oil on my scalp, but still I use this thermal deep conditioning cap. I love this. So how this works is, well, first of all, it's reversible, so that's why I just showed y'all that. But you put this in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds at a time. So you put it in there for 30 seconds, you take it out, you shake it, and you do it a few more times. I probably do mine like 2 minutes total, but you have to break it up in 30-minute increments. And then you put this on your head. I sit with mine on my hair for like an hour, but you don't have to sit for that long. You can do 30 minutes, you can do 20 minutes, you can do 15, whatever you want to do. I always do an hour when I can. If I can't, I'm doing 30 minutes minimum. You know what I'm saying? So this is mine. I think the name of the company is Thermal Hair Care, I think, but don't worry, because I'm gonna leave a description. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. So this is mine. I love it. And just to let y'all know, just to show y'all that I really do this. This is my old one, y'all. It's so dirty. It's so dirty. I purchased this one in like 2015. Like the elastic is gone. It is gone. But this is my old one, and this is the one I just got. So I really love to deep condition like this, and I hope that y'all give it a try too. It's like the same concept as putting on this bag and sitting under the dryer, but I'm not a sit under the dryer type of person, so I choose to do this. So if y'all try, just let me know. But that's all I have for y'all in this video. I hope y'all appreciate me getting on this camera looking busted like this, so that y'all can see how I do certain things. But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.